Still wondering if digital marketing is just hype? Or is it really a game changer for your future? Let me break it down. Right now. Digital marketing is one of the fastest growing industries in the world. By 2030, it's expected to pass $1.5 trillion globally. That means more companies, more roles, and more people needed to manage their online presence. This shift is happening everywhere, from big brands to small businesses. They all need help online. And that's where you come in. Because when you know how to market online, you become valuable to them and to your future. But here's the truth. If you don't have these skills, you're limited to the jobs that are slowly being replaced. Outdated, overcrowded, low growth. But with digital marketing skills, you unlock higher paying roles, flexible freelance work, remote positions, and even the ability to launch your own thing. Let's talk real numbers. According to the latest industry stats, the average entry-level digital marketing salary starts around $55,000 per year. With a few campaigns under your belt, you can hit $70K to $90Ks easily. And senior marketers, they're making six figures and beyond. But here's what matters most. These jobs aren't just high-paying. They're secure, they're creative, and they're growing. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but can I really learn this? Especially if you didn't grow up with tech, or if you're starting over at 35, 45, or even 55. Yes, you can. And that's exactly why we built Skillora Digital. This course wasn't made for tech bros in their 20s. It was built for people like you, smart, motivated adults, who wants a real path forward, without the confusion, without the overwhelm, and without wasting months trying to piece it all together from YouTube. Inside Skillora Digital, you get step-by-step guidance. We show you exactly what to learn, in the right order, with real-world examples that actually make sense. And you don't need any prior experience. No fancy tech setup, no coding, just a willingness to start. And here's the realistic timeline. If you give this 60 to 90 days of focused effort, you'll have the core skills to land your first gig, or help your own business grow online. No fluff, no hype, just skills that open doors. Because in today's world, digital marketing is the difference between staying stuck or stepping into a whole new career lane. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start building a future that actually pays off, then Skillora Digital is the place to start. We designed it for this moment, and we designed it for you. The next move is simple. Click the link in the description below, and let's get you on track, starting today.